Cooking is not just about preparing food. It's an experience that combines creativity, flavor, and functionality. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just stepping into the world of culinary exploration, having the right tools is key. Meet this DishDelight 15-piece pots and pans set, a game changer in the kitchen. Designed for efficiency, safety, and versatility, this cookware set promises to transform your cooking routine into a seamless and enjoyable process. Imagine the joy of whipping up meals with cookware that heats evenly, doesn't stick, and cleans up like a dream. This non-toxic, induction-compatible cookware set delivers all that and more. From frying to simmering, its thoughtful design and durable construction ensure that every dish you create is cooked to perfection. Whether you're preparing a simple breakfast or a multi-course dinner, the DishDelight cookware set is here to make your time in the kitchen stress-free and satisfying. Let's dive deep into why this set is an essential addition to your home. Key features of the DishDelight 15-piece cookware set. 1. Non-stick for healthier cooking. The non-stick material ensures your food doesn't stick, even with minimal oil. This means lighter meals with fewer calories without compromising on taste or texture. Plus, the material is wear-resistant, making it perfect for everyday use. 2. Comprehensive 15-piece collection. This set includes everything you need for a well-equipped kitchen. Fry pans, 8-inch and 11-inch for searing, frying, or sautéing. Saucepans with lids, 1.5 quart and 3 quart for soups, sauces, and grains. Casserole pots with lids, 3 quart and 5 quart for slow-cooked meals and stews. Utensil set, 5 handy tools to complement your cookware. 3. Easy to clean, always. Gone are the days of scrubbing and soaking. With its smooth, non-stick surface, cleaning these pots and pans is as effortless as wiping them down. Spend more time enjoying your meal and less time cleaning up. 4. Even heating technology. Say goodbye to uneven cooking. The set's advanced heating technology ensures every dish is cooked uniformly, eliminating the frustration of burnt spots or undercooked sections. Safe and thoughtful design. Non-toxic material, free from harmful chemicals like PFOS and PFOA. Anti-scald handles keep your hands safe and comfortable while cooking. Versatile pan shape, ideal for everything from stir-frying to simmering, thanks to its deeper design. Why choose the DishDelight cookware set? 1. Versatility meets functionality. Whether you're frying eggs, simmering a hearty stew, or crafting a delicate sauce, this cookware set is versatile enough to handle it all. The induction-compatible base works on all stovetops, adding to its practicality. 2. Perfect for every kitchen. Its sleek black finish and ergonomic design make it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Whether you're setting up a new home or upgrading your current setup, this set provides the perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. 3. Durability that lasts. The wear-resistant non-stick coating ensures that your pots and pans remain in excellent condition for years, even with regular use. This durability makes it a worthwhile investment. 4. Eco-friendly cooking. By requiring less oil and energy for even heating, this cookware set supports healthier and more sustainable cooking practices. 5. Affordable luxury. Despite its premium features, the DishDelight 15-piece cookware set offers exceptional value for its price, making it an accessible choice for all households. Pros and cons. Pros. Comprehensive 15-piece set for all cooking needs. Non-stick surface reduces oil usage and makes cleaning easy. Even heating technology ensures perfectly cooked meals. Durable and non-toxic materials for long-term use. Compatible with induction and all other stovetops. Cons. Handles may get slightly warm after prolonged cooking. Not dishwasher safe. Hand washing is recommended to preserve non-stick coating. Conclusion. A must-have addition to your kitchen. The DishDelight 15-piece pots and pans set offers the perfect balance of functionality, durability, and style. Its non-stick surface, even heating technology, and thoughtful design make it an essential upgrade for any kitchen. From healthier cooking with minimal oil to quick and easy cleaning, this cookware set simplifies your culinary journey while delivering professional quality results. Whether you're preparing simple family meals or experimenting with gourmet recipes, the DishDelight cookware set ensures every dish is a success. Its non-toxic materials and versatile compatibility with various stovetops make it a safe and reliable choice for your home. If you enjoyed this review, Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.